Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's session I'm going to demonstrate how to make a one-sided flower arrangement. For this first I have fixed the Oasis inside a glass container. I have few foliages with me. I'm going to make a perfect shape with on this foliage before I use it. It's always better to trim your foliage into a desired size and length, which makes the flower arrangement look better. As you can see, I am now trimming down the foliage called palm leaf into the desired size and length that I require. I'm cutting it in between 2 to 3 intervals in a horizontal direction, which has given me a shape something like this. So I'm going to have at least 2 to 3 different foliages which would be cut into the same direction and keep it ready for the arrangement. Okay, now let's start with the arrangement. First, I'm going to give a little curl on the foliage so that it holds the shape in the desired direction that I need. I want a C-shape arrangement, so I'm going to fix the foliages diagonal. One which would be a little higher in length on one side and the other one which would be slightly diagonal to the earlier foliages. I'm using Dutch roses here. I'm going to use 10 roses for making the entire arrangement. I start from the highest length of the flower arrangement because it's a C shape. So we are going to make sure that the flowers are properly placed one after the other in a direction which is not only easy to arrange but will also give you the formation of the C shape. As a beginner, it is the most easiest flower arrangement that one can give a try to because you have a sequence in which you have to place the flowers. Only thing that you need to remember is when you're placing the flowers, do not place it in a straight direction but a direction which would be little slant, which would make the flowers look more lively and more easily seen. As you can see, I have actually reached the center of this flower arrangement. We also call it as the focal point. It being the focal point, I'm going to increase the density by placing the flowers closer to each other and making it look as if they are in a rhythm. Also very important that you have to reduce the height because here you're going to make the flower arrangement look more compact and equally balanced. So place the flowers closer to each other and you have to reduce the length of the flowers. Once I'm assured that the flowers are fixed properly, I could use some more roses on the other side to balance the arrangement. It is not a necessity that you fill the entire arrangement. I've just done the framework with the red roses, which are complemented by the foliages on both the sides. The foliage that I've used is palm leaf. It's very flexible to change the arrangement of the flowers while you're making an arrangement. What I would suggest is you could halt in between the arrangement, just go a little away from the arrangement, have a look at it so that you get an idea that how does the actual arrangement look like. So you may see that I may be removing some of the foliages of the flowers till I have an idea that this arrangement is well balanced. So as a rule in flower arrangement, we always make sure that the Oasis is properly covered from all directions. I have just made a framework with roses, but I need to fill the gaps with the help of foliages. What I'm using right now is called as Tetis. It's one of the foliage that is easily available in the markets nowadays. This foliage can last for more than 3 to 4 days. It has a very dry paper-like texture. I'll make sure that it properly fills in the space behind the flower arrangement. Please do not overdo with this foliage. Make sure that the height of the foliage is in balance with the flowers that we have placed, or else the flower arrangement symmetry will not be properly seen. So after filling in the entire arrangement, now I have few of the golden rods with me. I'm going to use them to give a little contrast in between the red color. You could also say that I would like to break in the harmony of the color, but it would look nice. Always remember, when you're using foliage just for contrast, they should only be 3 to 4 strands. That's it. So this is one of the easiest one-sided red flower arrangement. I have done one more style of one-sided flower arrangement using yellow roses. You could also check that video on my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get the updates of my new flower arrangements. I hope you liked today's video. Please do like and share and keep watching our channel for new updates. Thank you.